Life is like traffic on a long highway. Every vehicle enters at a different time. Some drive fast, some slow, some steady. Each has an off-ramp, its destination. Life is the same, some rush, some calm. Our final destination is the graveyard. Why destroy yourself on the way? Take it easy. Enjoy the process. Love the process. Focus on it. Small things daily, with consistency. Slowly, you'll reach your off-ramp. Inspiration beats desperation. Desperation exhausts. Inspiration lifts. Relax. Breathe. Believe this deeply. Wherever you are, you're almost there. If not, something is still being built. Skills, knowledge, strength are growing. Every morning, say thank you. Thank you, Almighty Allah. You have made this day beautiful. I will rejoice and be glad in it. Rejoice by taking small actions. Enjoy small actions. Love them. Hug the small moments. Embrace every moment with gratitude. Take every action with gratitude. Without forcing, without breaking. You'll realize tremendous results arrived. You reached your off-ramp. Calm, whole, grateful. Life is a journey, not a race. Savor each moment, big or small. Find joy in the everyday tasks. Let gratitude be your guide. And you will arrive at your destination. Peaceful and content.